Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. I hope the day finds you well. And for this video, we're going to unbox Balato prices from Larry of Disney Plus set. Let's go! Okay, so as mentioned, we're going to look at Disney Plus figures that are Balato for us by Larry, the Philippines 2022 Nationals Champion. For those of you who are not familiar with the term Balato, I googled it, and the closest term is quote, or a consolation prize given by a gambler to someone or such as an assistant. Okay, so there's no clear straight up translation, but in the Philippines, you give someone balato, okay, when you win something and you want to share your prize with that person. Okay, so that's the word for the day. So anyway, so as you know, the 2022 pricing for the Grand Champion is a factory set of Marvel's Disney Plus Heroclix set. I won second, so I got the chase set, but there are some pieces from the factory that I really want to have in my collection. So I tried to ask Larry for them, and fortunately he's able to give me some, okay, of the ones I really want from the set, and also some of the wants of my friend Heinz. Okay, so Heinz is another collector here in the Philippines, and he's very fond of the Disney Plus. I'm helping him to get as many Disney Plus figures as possible so that he can also help me with future X-Men sets. So let's take a look at the booster. So here are some of the figures. I think this is for Heinz, and then this one is for me. Okay, so thank you very much, first and foremost, Larry. Congratulations, and again, awesome. These are figures that are, I think, duplicates already of Larry's, because we purchased some case break of Disney Plus. So good to know that his duplicates are things that I don't have, so it really just matches the matches the needs and wants. Okay, so for Heinz, Larry is giving us a Balato Vision Uncommon, okay, the Spectacular Vision, T'Challa, Star-Lord, okay, Unmask. I really like the quality of the paint job in this set. The Doctor Strange Supreme, which is a supremely good figure in popper formats. Take a look at that dial, running shot, 13.5 damage penetrating with mystics and energy shield deflection, invincible. Wow. And then Heist Nebula, okay, the blonde Nebula, Marilyn Monroe Nebula with one eye. Then the post-apocalyptic Black Widow. Okay. Curly Black Widow. And Monica Rambeau. Okay. So that is headed Heinz way. And for us, we want to get some X-Men related figures. So we have here Tommy Maximoff, okay. We have Billy Maximoff, okay. So they're not X-Men related per se, but I think Billy is one of the more useful figures with the perplex, and then when you choose it to target a friendly character. That character attack cannot be reroll, opposed by opposing effects, replace, etc. So a very good support piece with Mystics for 45 points. This one is X-Men related because he's dressed like Quicksilver. And then of course we have Wanda, the Scarlet Witch. Wanda. Okay, the spectacular Scarlet Witch. Although she doesn't have an X-Men keyword, but in the comics, they've had a change of heart, accepting Wanda as a savior of mutants. And then Pietro Maximoff, Quicksilver, of course. Also doesn't have the X-Men keyword, but we all know it's Quicksilver. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, Tommy and Pietro Maximoff. And finally, I almost forgot, we have here the Super Soldier Serum. Okay, Super Soldier Serum. We lent ours in advance for Larry's transaction with Joey, so he just returned it to us. So very good for our Captain Carter figure. So that's it. That's my Balato hauls for Disney Plus. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.